making another video. You know, we made a pillager update and the pillager events. Well, today we finished all the achievements in list 2. The End Islands and the Ender Dragon. We're gonna do it right now. We're killing them. We're killing it. Oh, come on, guys. I'm so excited. It might be 40 minutes. Mama, loot. I don't have.
Golden apple. Oh. Ikaw ba, Mong? Sa kaya mo ba? Paano daw, Be? Ayan, gamitin mo yan. Oo, kami nga. Akin na yung cellphone mo.
No, let's go. Come on, let's get some blazes. So, and make Eye of Ender. You guys have a lot of blazes, right?
Who's the, totem?
Are you already using the totem?
Sa ate mo, gusto ata yung prito. Sa akin, kahit gusto mo. Ikaw, prito ba rin? Prito na lang sa'yo doon. Nagigisa. Oy! Kaya ano may hindi mangang ha? Kaya ano may hindi mangang.
How to make it?
Hindi ka lang mo. Hindi na. Oh, bebe. I'll teach you how
Ooh.
to use this.
I need.
Bed, no? Ano, May?
I don't have.
Go get your bed in your house.
Wait.
You gotta survive.
Wait.
I'll just make a bed right there.
Just gonna make some
Sleeping through this night. Mom and Jane left the game.
Dito yung bed mo, yun lang mga-
You have bed?
Ako po ba na silk touch yung phone?
Mom and Jane joined the game.
Unbreakable yan.
Ano po?
Ano yung egg ah?
Nakukulo.
Oo, nakuha yan.
Sorry.
Haluin nyo muna. Tapos pag nag-teleport doon sa ano, kunwari dito sa...
Hindi mo intindihan, paano ulit?
Haluin nyo muna yun, yung parang isirain nyo. Kapag talaga pag inaano nyo yun eh, nag-teleport doon.
Para sa
diba?
to.
Ikaw lang yun.
Nag-teleport doon. Pag teleport doon, ano, so, pwede siyang bumaba doon sa ano, dyan lang sa tabi. Dyan lang sa endstone nyo. Yan, dyan lang sa endstone. Masabi mo muna yung ano, yung ilalim ng endstone. Pero yung muna sa akin,
Paano mo makukuha yun?
Ah,
Pag namatay mo yung dragon.
tapos pag mo sa akin yung endstone na kung saan siya nakapasok ngayon. Kasi kapag na, ano yun, ano yun eh, babaksak. Nakakasaan sila sa yun. Sa basics. Tapos lagyan mo ng torch sa ilalim. Tapos pag bumaksak, okay siya na drop. Item drop. Oo, makinig. Yan yung trophy mo.
Ano ko lang yung paano. Pero
Sila
siguro lang
yung
yun.
trophy lang.
Saan yun ako yung ender bed?
Tapos kung kukuhain yung ano, yung ender dragon, hindi mo kailangan eh.
Kaya ako lang ko na pala ito.
Where did you get ender eye?
What?
Yan yung end crystal.
And crystal lang pala.
Making
Kailangan mo kailangan.
blaze powder and ender worlds combined into Eye of Ender.
One time mo lang makukuha yan.
Pag napatay mo, may biglang egg na bang lalabas?
May ito sa pillar. Yung bed lang.
Why you don't watch it first?
Maglalagay muna ako ng torch sa baba, tapos bawasakin ko yung ano.
Yes,
Ano muna ako sa...
I always do that.
Ano muna, paluin muna eh, para mag-teleport siya sa baba. Ayan.
Paluin lang?
Ewan ko, papaluin ng bird ako. Kailangan mo lang, parang intent na sirahin. Tapos yung maganda mag-teleport. Sirahin lang. So, ano yung sirahin mo? Sirahin mo ano yung pinapatuwa ng bird. Kasi yung pangabay. Tapos isa ilalim mo ano, ng blocks sa pinapatuwa ng bird. Lagi mo ng torch. Yan. Tapos,
Ano ba, pwede ba lagyan na agad ng torch? Ito, gagamit sa pinapatot ako sa mo.
Up teleport.
Gagamit niya pag pantakas o pang-appear.
Even ka na tayo.
Okay. Lalagay ko na agad yun. Meron kami ano? Oo, may ender chest.
Why I have ano, bakit?
Kasi yung ano, yung sa amin.
Yung soul core chest ba? Ganun din ba yun? Kung paano yung ender chest, ganun din ba siya gumagana?
Ang short term pwede ka lang mag-teleport.
Nawawala rin. Ay, ibig sabihin nawawala yun. Mas maganda
Pero
pala
pwede mo malagay sa short term chest.
ender chest.
Para marami mga.
Para saan yung bakit?
Sige na.
Get our horse.
Mawawala yan kasi ano eh.
No horse. You have been done, mate.
Yes.
Let's go.
Sa isang word kasi.
No horse, why?
Isang egg lang ang meron. Kasi yung sa amin, ano, namatay yung may dala ng egg. Ngayon. Egg one na.
Wala ko mga ender chest nun.
We're going in the nether? Oh, it puts us in the thousands. Why there's XP on the outside of the nether? Ito, kaya niya. Yes, I'm still recording. Make sure, guys, don't forget to subscribe and like. Share this video to a friend, okay, guys? And I'm smashing this horse like I smashed the bell. Make sure to smash that bell, okay, guys? Are we going in the basalt world? Where are we? What kind of I don't know. Hey,
Footstep. Soul sign. Soul speed.
we need soul speed. We haven't got the soul speed. Soul speed. I don't know. Where's the magma blocks?
Just one. The response. The response.
It's okay if you guys fall in lava. They will not burn when you die in lava. Because their netherite is immune to lava. Yes!
We're not gonna die in lava now.
Bro, when you die, the netherite will just stay there. No, you might
Get damage. Yes, you do get damage.
get damage. Yes, we do get damage, but when you die, your netherite armor's just chilling there in the lava.
Takbuhan niyo naman mga archer.
I want soul speed. Just follow the torch, okay, guys? Just one hit on the gas.
Ayaw,
Wait. Wait for me. Why won't I get it? Oh. In the desert again? Oh. I'll just throw this Eye of Ender so we...
Don't waste that.
Why?
Gonna use it in the
Yes, it will just lead us. But sometimes it broke, sometimes it doesn't.
Okay, I got an orange.
Yeah.
Follow me.
We can just use our trident so we can just fly in the water. What? It's already. Yay! It's so fun.
Pero mo siya, lipat-lipat yan na. Paulan eh.
Oh, it's not raining now? That's so fast. Whoa, I'm so high.
Okay na, I'm just gonna be done first now. Maybe yung water mo lang yun.
Bro. But I don't know. Let me see. It's still there? Oh,
Yung second floor lang.
Wait, sa mga bed here.
Hindi, dito.
it's still there.
Oh, 6, 8, 9, 6.
It's still not broken.
So nice.
My Eye of Ender. We just need 12 Eye of Ender.
Pero really lang.
Sleeping through this night.
No, it's just always. I don't have buckets.
There's no water there, just storage lang.
Oh, we're in the.
Oh, here, let's go.
Just drop there.
Drop the water. Drop the water.
I'll just lead this like to the Oh, I'm genius. Look. I'll just... Yeah, genius brain. I just lead the lake to here.
We're here na.
Ito. Excuse me, tatapon ko to. Mayroon ba yung ano?
Nothing here. Put some blocks.
Ano tayo di ba galing? Anime. Dito muna tayo, sangoy muna tayo, no? Sama-sama muna tayo. Okay. Oh,
There is.
there is. There's a test. Oh, gold. Oh, yung apple. Ano natin yung test.
There's upstairs.
That's good, guys. Ako yung may torch eh. Ako ano.
Oh,
Nothing here.
hey, there is. Wait, excuse me. I'm gonna place blocks. Hey,
Nothing.
Meron. Ano? Gulo-gulo tayo. Dami na. Sarap-sarap. Okay, pagkaalam na tayo. Pagkaalam na tayo. Dami ko siguro.
Oh, guys.
Lagyan nyo na ng torch. Pag ano.
I don't have to.
Torch.
I have torch. Yung portal. I found the chest. Go upstairs.
Kung yung siraan yung library, kailangan natin yung mga block.
Chest? As in chest?
Meron din chest. Ayan, ano may help ko?
I cannot open it.
Open the wood on top of the chest.
So where's the chest?
I broke it. I accidentally broke it.
Okay.
Oh, I might die. Oh, here.
What's that?
Take it. I might die in the end because I always die. You
Should
guys,
I put in the chest?
yes.
Oh, just wait.
Don't worry,
I'm gonna
guys.
put it right here.
We're already in the stronghold, guys, viewers.
Okay.
Make sure to subscribe and like in the video. Comment any emoji you want. Okay, come on. You worms. Where are you? so hard to find. Yes. Oh my.
What the?
Where should I put that? No. The chest. Because anime gave me some item.
Guys, let's go in the end.
Where should we put that? No. And then the bed also. Should I put bed?
Ooh, a few. Yes.
Also the chest?
Ding, ding, ding.
Hindi yan, huwag mong ano yun be. Ito lang.
Can I open the?
The brown chest nga.
Dito.
Guys, ready?
Ano yung mga gamit dito sa lava? May temporary blocks na ba? Yung pang laki nila.
64, 64. Dalawang 64. Is that enough?
Ko isang 64. Let's put our bed first.
Uy,
Let's sleep first here.
Respawn point set.
Just
Only
respond.
sleep at night and during thunderstorms.
Yes. You guys ready? Eat your enchanted golden apple. For the Brookie City. For the Brookie City. Yes, for the Brookie City. Sweetness. Give me that sweetness.
Lagay niyo yung totem niyo tapos kain kayo ng golden apple.
Eat
Go.
all your
Yung first, ano
food.
yun?
Okay, because
Wait ko mama. Ito lang kakainin mo, pwede na yan. Let's go be.
Eat 20.
What?
20 buckets.
20 what?
Apple.
Sabay-sabay? Hindi ka gana yan.
Bucket. Only one.
Go.
For Brookie City. Woo!
We're here.
Why so
Oh,
dark?
baka malaglag kayo.
The end.
Baka malaglag kayo ha.
Just place,
Oh,
bro.
nandun tayo. Nandun yung dragon.
Where?
I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. Oh.
Or just teleport there.
No.
Dragon. Not yet.
Just use your ender pearls.
No, kailangan natin na pumunta pa. Yung una lang kayo para hindi na malaglag.
Be careful. There's a lot of Enderman.
Ano ba ito tinitira?
Be careful.
Bato muna yung ano nyo dito. Taasan yung bato ha.
Ba't ito tinitira nun?
Bato muna dito. Bato muna yung enderman mo be. Nandito kami tayo sa world nila kaya titirahan tayo dyan. Laksan yung brightness niya pala. mo. Grabe yung bato yun. Ang dami atang binato mo. Saan ka na?
Napatay ako.
Saan ka na? Nasaan si mama mo?
Mahulog na ako sa baba.
Hindi naman hulog.
Almost.
Dragon, oh. Patayin muna natin yung mga ano.
And
Sirain
Chris,
yung mga hiling niya.
Anong healing? How?
Ayun yung sa taas, panain nyo. Ayun o, yung may hiling niya siyang puti. Yung hiling niya yan, nagiging siya dyan. Huwag niya yung dami dyan.
I'm gonna die here.
Yo.
hey, it's okay. I'm gonna kill the end crystal here. It's okay. It's okay. Break your blocks above you.
Okay.
Like how tall is this?
Sirain nyo yun, be.
Bro, guys.
Enemy. Okay.
Ito, yan.
Why are all the some of the crystals are broken? Bro, did the ender dragon just broke it?
She's so angry at me. What a crazy. You need to break all the ano, crystal.
With your arrow.
Mag-heal lang yan na mag-heal. Oh my. Pagayin nyo. Ayun ang taas.
Yan, ito yung puti.
Oo, lahat yan.
Yes, we killed all the crystals. Oh, not yet. Just teleport to them. Oops. Oh my.
Why this everyone so angry at me? They're too fast. Okay.
Just suffocated in the.
Anyway, when you hit the blocks, don't be careful ah.
Hit
Ay,
the
when
blocks.
you hit the crystal, it will explode you like a ano.
Ito ba? This one? Should we kill this?
Oo.
This?
Yes, the one.
Yung may mga harang, akutin mo yan. Babutuhan mo ng ano yan, hindi na ano yan yan.
Ang babatan ko na?
Babutuhan mo ng ender ano.
Pearl?
Oo.
Para? Masira ko?
Pero ingatan nyo yung bato, baka malaglag kayo ha. Ingatan nyo lang yung pagbato nyo, baka malaglag kayo sa ano.
Can't go there.
Hindi mo muna.
Uno! Ah! Inano ko ng ano?
Oo, sabi ko.
Ng dragon?
Sabi ko, pumasok dun sa purple ano ha. Dami
Sa purple na yan?
damage yan. Try nyo muna lahat to.
Oh my. You keep pushing me.
Kaya lang ata eh.
Isa lang lang.
No,
Yes.
it's only two.
Ang dami.
Ulit ko na lang.
Ayun na, nandiyan sa taas. Hindi pa nasisira. Pinunta na ng dragon.
Ito, ang daging. Oy, ito golden apple. natin yan, pet. Isa, ay, dalawa pa pala. Pwede mo pa pala dito sa banda. Oo. Kailangan mo travel para kayo ano.
Stop hitting me!
Yun lang, wala na.
Isa na lang.
Paano guys? Ba't di kayo pinapatay ng mga ano yung gano'n? I'm hiding.
It's okay! Just...
No, it's not small, small yummy.
Why didn't you
Yummy, just
shoot it? No, no need.
see? Oh, let's time to kill the dragon. Oh,
Looking
there's
at
more.
me.
Ayan dyan siya, anin nyo lang, paluin. Paluin nyo lang, di yan nag-ano po na dyan.
Wala.
Pag dito siya, hindi siya napapana, papaluin lang yan. Hindi yan napapana pag nandiyan nakahiga. Pag nalipad, napapana.
You Enderman! Stop! Bro!
Kaya paluin lang, paluin. Paluin, paluin, paluin. Magiging paluin kung nalipad. Paluin, paluin. Hey, stop flying away. Ang pakpak parang ito. Last one, last one, last one. We're gonna do it. Hey, kill it.
Yes!
Hey, good look. Yay,
Basic.
Minecraft!
Oo. Wait ka.
just wait.
The end. I see the player you mean. Kane Anime? Yes, take
Ito yung
care.
egg yung kailangan natin masira eh.
Ha?
Ito daw.
What?
Ayun, ito.
Then?
Just wait.
Yes, we can have the egg!
Ulitin tayo.
Just wait. Lalagyan ko pa daw ng torch ko eh.
Yes!
Yay.
We have the egg.
One egg, one chest. I want egg, one ano.
Come on, guys, you still spawn in the same place.
Pero guys. How about you anyway? Where are you?
Punta na dito sa dito. Tapos na.
Here?
Yes.
Just click it.
Finish the game. Oh,
Skip.
we finished the game.
Skip.
We're done.
No, we're not.
Hey, I see the play you mean, no? I did it. Alright, let's go back.
Gonna go in the End Islands.
Here, right here. Just take a look right here.
Just go back.
Just wait, baka malaglag ka ba eh. Ikaw muna mag-go back. Ay, mag-ano kayo ha?
Mag.
Oh my. Don't look at me.
Pag nag-vlog ka dyan, mamamatay ka dyan.
Oh,
Oo.
I'm gonna take your ano.
Kinastik ko ulit. Alam mo, nakakala na yan.
Come on. Let's go in the End Islands. Guys. So happy.
Let's go in the island.
Yeah. Ooh,
Oh,
yeah.
I see it. It's right there.
Uy.
Parang malalaglag yung lagi.
I don't know to, no? Sorry guys. Where's killing you?
Dami lang, gabi.
Put water.
No, we cannot put water here.
Yes, we can.
Okay?
Yes.
Oh, it is. Yes, we can. Okay, guys. Punta tayo dito.
Okay, just wait.
Help me.
Uy, it na yun ha. Nagagalit na yun sa ating lahat kasi natin natin yung dragon. Sino pa may blocks? May blocks pa kayo 64. Okay dyan, may block na yun. Huwag lang kayo mag-dig down.
Kaya, hirap.
Ay, punta mo lang kayo dito. Okay, dito.
Like you?
Patamahin yung ano nyo. Ayan, ayan, katulad kay Anime. Let's go. Oy! Oy, you might fall, Anime, you might fall. Gagi. You might fall, ha?
I cannot.
Where did you guys spawn?
No, I just...
Use a what?
Where are you? Where are you guys? Should I go here?
Show your ender pearl.
There?
Yes. Yeah, you're there.
Oh no. Why it's like this?
It's
What position
okay.
are you? 116. Let me see what position.
Ah, don't kill me in the
Negative that. Oh. You're right there. Baka malaglag ka, be.
Oh,
Napunta ako dito sa kabila, oh. They're talking. What are they talking?
oh, you're there. Tatalo na ako kay Anime.
We're gonna get the Elytra!
Ha?
Papa
Oh,
Gale
good.
6981 fell out of the world.
What? Died? It's okay, just jump on the end stone. Jump on the end stone!
You just have nothing. You have nothing.
You have nothing. You have nothing, boy. Try to go home. Give me some, ano. Counter journey light. Oh, just wait like this, ah. Just wait ba, ah. Uwi lang ako saglit. Wala kayong blocks?
Wala akong...
Diyan kasi sa ano eh. Lulog-log ako dun sa ano, Minyemos. Buti nilagay ko yung ano natin be, yung egg. Sayang yun. Kasi isang game, isang egg lang. The dragon egg.
Where did you place it?
In the ender chest. It is in the house. Be, bumaba ka na dyan.
I'm glad.
Huwag ka lang magpalaglag. Ayan oh.
If you eat those cactus
Kuha ka pa lang ganito, be. Blocks na ganito.
and stone, you
Kuha
can
ka
make
ng ano.
and crystals with that.
Hagdanan papunta dito. Marami-rami yung hagdan yung mga kailangan mo gawin. Oopsie, too much. Hindi, nandito ko na eh. Wala, umuwi lang ako. Pinauwi ko lang si Anime.
You
I want some palm. I want some like this. Yes.
come on and hop. That's an ender pearl.
Ha?
If you throw it, it will spawn you wherever you throw it. Well, that was my only one.
Ano do you have? This is kinda dangerous.
Just throw your. Oh, give me. Give me.
Give me what? Gonna throw it right there? No. You might die. Just gonna get some.
More stone.
I can provide some.
And stone does look like coral. Hey, hurry up. It's already 40 minutes. That's a lot of time.
Taas.
Ito? Ito kung saan tayo kanina?
Okay.
Sa taas nito? Ito kung saan yung may maliit na ano?
Yung pataas ko punta dyan. Huwag niyo ubusin yung ano nyo ha. Yung ender portal. Ano yung pwede pala marami. Let's go na. Pagay mo yun. Let's go na, anime.
Where are you?
Pwede mo sa pagkain.
Papa Kilo 6981 was slain by Endermites.
Hanap na yun. Sabi mo lang ako sa bahay. Ano muna ako ng ano.
Papa Kilo 6981 fell out of the world.
Sabi mo na ako sa bahay. Dude, it's taking a lot of time now. No, you should be behind. Behind it. You might go right there, oh, in the end. Behind. Gonna shoot it behind. Yeah, like that. Not like that. Yeah. It's a right angle. Yeah. Ooh, almost. Wait for me there. I'm going home.
When you die, when you go home, we're just gonna spawn in the end.
I think you're wasting so much.
Oh my!
Mhm.
I always.
Just make a bridge. You're wasting too much. Make a bridge. Oh my. I'm gonna go in there.
Papa Keel 6981 hit the ground too hard.
Yeah, just make a bridge.
Nasa tayo?
Papunta na dyan.
Bakit nasan ba siya?
Because I'm having trouble.
Yeah, just make a bridge.
Bridge papunta saan ba sinasabi mo pa?
Diyan, papunta din sa'yo. Yeah, you're there, you're there. You're there.
Akala ko ako gagawa ng bridge.
Ito nga. Para yun kasi po eh. O yun yung... Kung sa kayo, kung ano, yun yung pauwi.
Ah! So, may ka-bridge.
Kung sila umuwi na walang armor. Tignan mo ako, walang armor uwi. Don't dig down ha. Diretso nyo sa ano. Do not dig down.
Saan ka bang sinapunta pa?
Nalaglag na ako dyan.
Magpas yung ano, interpret.
Oo, lumagpas.
Buti nga ako hindi. Munti ka na din ako eh.
Napakaliginan mo kasi yung interpret na tatantaran. Diba? Uwi muna ako sa bahay.
Where are we going next? Are we gonna go in the ship?
Yeah, you're gonna go in the ship, bro. Yes.
Find it.
Yan na kayo makakuha ng ano, pampalipad, be.
Yes!
You can just fly na.
We can find the elytra. We can fly like phantoms. We can kill them. But be careful. It also has durability. My
Papa
bro.
Keel 6981 was slain by Magma Cube.
Bahay na ako eh. Balik na uli ako dyan. Ay, alam ko na. Sirahin ko yung bed.
Why is it like that?
Sleeping through this night.
Sirahin ko yung bed. Tapos magpapamatay ako. Hindi ko nga pa naisip yun. Para diretso ako sa bahay. No.
Maybe you'll just spawn in the overworld somewhere that's so far.
Papa Keel 6981 tried to swim in lava.
Eh?
making a...
Because that's the only way we go down. That's why we need the stairs. Excuse me, Kuya.
Hey, I'm gonna do it. I'm doing it. Excuse. Helping you.
Tagal na mo. Galing na siya, no? Birthday pa ata. Ba't di na kami tinitira ng ano pa? Spider-Man, Kuya.
I looked at them.
Ha?
I looked at them.
Ew.
What are you doing? No need. I have roof.
We need to go out there.
There might be.
May isa na lang tayo gagawin dyan.
Let's go, Kuya. Wait ka muna.
Well, guys, that's the end of the video. Bye bye. Where's my